Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Happy Memes. So if you're looking for a channel that talks about life, fashion, does reaction videos and vlogs, just subscribe down below. And today's video is gonna be about why I meditate. So I wanted to write, honestly I haven't meditated in like a few weeks, but I wanted to do a video explaining why I meditate and the importance of meditating, and you know why you should try to meditate. And there's also no right or wrong way to meditate, just to be clear. So it's gonna be a pretty short video, but basically, like, you know, if you've been watching my story time, you know I go through a whole bunch of like mental stuff going through my head, always thinking about something, you know, my little cycles of depression and da-da-da-da. And I heard about meditation because my cousin was doing it, and then I started watching videos about meditation and what meditation can do, and then I was like, oh my god, I want to try this. I meditated because I wanted clarity, I wanted peace of mind. I was just tired of stressing over little shit, and that's why I started picking up meditation. And at first when I started doing it, it was like, oh, am I doing it right? Am I doing it right? Or what am I doing? There's no wrong or right way to meditate. It's really not, and that's what I learned. As long as you have the intent to like clear your mind, if you want to lay down, if you want to sit up, if you want to do it on your back, go ahead. And it's not only one way to meditate. You don't only have to meditate to sit in silence. Painting is meditation. Listening to music is meditation. Singing along is meditation. Taking a walk on the beach or on a trailway or a run or exercise, anything is meditation. Anything that can clear your mind and have you just not think about anything that you're stressing about for that minute is meditation. You don't have to sit in silence for it to be meditation. So I meditate to clear my mind, for clarity. I honestly have not meditated in a couple of weeks. I used to meditate like every day, every other day, but I need to get back on it. But that's why I meditate. Have you thought about meditating, and why? That's what I want to know. And if you haven't, maybe you should. It's really good. Like, it's really good. I could tell you from meditating, I did get a lot of clarity. I did get a lot of peace of mind. I did do a lot of growing, and none of this happened if I didn't meditate, if I didn't look into myself and, you know, ask myself some questions. And that's it. I said it's a pretty simple video, pretty short video about why I meditate, and that's about it. That's why I meditate, for peace of mind and clarity. And I encourage everybody to do it. And it's not, like I said, it's not only one way. You don't only have to sit in silence. Listen to music, draw a picture, go for a run. I don't know, but just clear your mind. You're hit with so much stimuli. You're hit with so much. You're always like on the go, ongoing. Everything is just, you're just bombarded with so much things. It's good to just sit back, breathe a little, and just, you know, reflect on what's going on. So that's why I meditate. Let me know why you meditate, and thank you. I will see you next time. So like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Peace out. Love always.